Hey there, YouTube. It's XX Awesome Dude XX1, and today or tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make a Minecraft server with Bukkit. So let's go. First thing you need, just create a new folder, and I'm using Windows 7, but it'll work. I'm pretty sure on anything. It's just easier on Windows 7. Not saying get it. Besides the fact, just create a new folder. Name it whatever you want, really. Just name it just about Bukkit server. That's good. And then open up your internet browser. I'm using Safari, which is probably harder to use, but I just like Safari. And then CraftBukkit 1.2.5 is the latest version of it. So click, is this the right one? Yeah. Click over here, click recommend build. See, recommend build right there. Click that. And it'll bring you to here, which is the latest the latest CraftBukkit. CraftBukkit is what you use for the mods. So you want to click on it, and you can click save, don't click open, because it's going to create files in your downloads bar, and that won't be good. So while that's downloading, you can just minimize these windows. Wait till it's done. It shouldn't take very long. Now get it. And then just drag it to your desktop, and just put it in here. So for now, that's good. Now open this. Let's see. New. Oh, wait. Actually, go to all programs. Go to accessories, then go to notepad. Open up a new notepad folder. So after that, go back to this Bukkit forums the Bukkit.org again. Click get CraftBukkit. We already have it. So it depending on if you have 32-bit or if you have a 62-bit machine. Mine is 32. This one's 32. This one's 64. Or actually, no, this one's not 64, sorry. For 64, you have to change this part to times 86 with parentheses like this. And then, so what you do, take this, copy it, go to your new notepad, paste. Okay, so now that it's pasted, you want to go here, click save. Actually, let's go back. Let's click. Actually, no, that'll work. Yeah, save. And then we go to click desktop, find the new folder, which is right here. Then you want all files because it won't be a txt file. Then you can save it as whatever you want. You could put run.bat, and then save this. And now you can exit out of that, minimize these windows again. Now open up this. The next thing you have to do, you have to take this craft bucket and rename it to, like, without all the numbers, it's just craft bucket, like that. Whoops. There we go. And now it should work. So now we have all these things. Wait for it to load. Still waiting. It loads a lot the first time because it's creating all the files. See? We didn't have that many files before. So, okay, now it's done. Now just click or type stop. Click enter. Stopping server, saving chunks. And now just click any key and it'll go. So now that we have all these, what you want to do is next you want to find this. It's this properties file. It says server, but the properties file one, not the text document. You want to go and you want to open it. And if it's not open, then open it with Notepad. So it says not to change it, but you can change it. And what you do, you want to put your IP in, but for your computer. And what you do to find out that is go to your command prompt, and if you're using Windows 7, go here. Whoa. Sorry. Go over here and type cmd.exe, and you want to click this file right here, and then it'll open up a new one. Let's close this other one. I recommend just going here because you might go back to it a lot, like just dragging it. And then you want to type in ip config, and it'll show up a bunch of these stuff. This stuff, not these stuff. And then what you're looking for the IPv4 address, which is this. And by the way, you guys can connect to my server too. I actually have a server. It's called Technocraft with a capital T. And type in that and you could join to my server, but it's not 24/7 is a bad thing, guys. So sorry. So that's it. Since that's mine, you could put that. So now let's go back. Remember this number, 192.168.166.1.66, which is mine. Oh, wait, you can always open a notepad and type it in, 192.168.1.66 to remember it. And then what we're actually looking for is this default gateway, because you have to port forward. Many people say port forwarding is hard. It's really not. So what you have to do is this one. So instead of 66, it's, for me, is 254. And that's for, I think, pretty much all 2 wires. So we go into here and type in 192.168.1.254 and click enter, and it'll bring you to this. you want to go to where is it? Oh yeah, you want to go to this, gaming and communications is for this one. Then click application pinholes in DMZ. Then first you want to, I already have it here, but I'll show you how to do it because it's not on this list, so you can't find it. I put it on this list, so that's why it's here. So you want to go to add a new user defined application. Click that. Type whatever you want. You could just put Minecraft server that works. You want to put here 25565 because you don't want more than one port. This one, you don't have to put anything. Or you can. But I wouldn't. I didn't when I did it. It works better because then there's no timeout. So. And then, you can leave it on for as long as you want. But it's not going to be 24/7. That is a different story, which is, I haven't done that yet. And then you can type it again, or you can leave it blank, as it says there. Application type. This DirectX game, this one, is the easiest one to use. So click that. Then just click add to list. And your password, I'm not going to type mine in, but your password is actually on your modem or your router. I don't know about wired, but for wireless stuff, if you didn't take your stickers off and whatever, it's on your modem, or it's on your modem. It'll say router password, and that's what you type in. You don't want the other one that for the to connect to the Wi-Fi, like the internet key. You want the modem password. Once you do that, it'll say congratulations, you just added a new thing. And then so let's go back. And then once you find it, it'll be over here. Then you just click on it and say add. And since this one, I need the password again to put it, I'm not going to do that, but you click add, it'll go here. Click save and type in your password. You may not ask for passwords. This just may be for 2-wire, but just in case, you can always click I forgot the password if you peeled off the stickers and stuff, and then click submit. And then you port forwarded, and then you're good. So then we can exit out of this. And now we go back to our Bukkit server. Hold on. And then what we do is we go to, we open up this server one again, and then we type in that server code before, which was the IPv4 address, this one. So, no, we don't save that. And you type in your IP. Which is that. And make this bigger. And then even though it says not to change it, you should, because then it connects to it and it's just easier, so don't listen. You can change stuff on it, like spawn monsters if you don't want monsters to spawn. You just change it from true to false. You can change this, you can make it 100. Generate structures, yes. Max players, you can make, let's say, 30. You can turn player versus player on or off. Online mode, spawn animals, all this stuff. See? Let's see, server port. And then if you want to change the name of your world, like, let's call this test server. And then, so when you're done with that, you can just click File, Save, and now we click back, run it again, and let's see. What happened? Oh, I see. This where it says atnet.minecraft. This it's saying we can't make the view radius 100. And this is just because I didn't port forward on this server. Because I don't remember the password on my own, so just do that. And when you actually port forward and do it, it'll work. And then it says that we can't make our view radius that big, so we can't make it 100, I guess. Always type stop. You don't want to just close it. It could damage your server. It could make it slower and stuff. So we go here, click, oh wait, no, yeah, just double click this, and change this back to 10, file, save, run it, it'll make the new test server, see? Okay, so it went this time, and I guess yeah, because if you don't port forward, you won't be able to connect to it, because port forwarding just allows people access through your firewall, and it doesn't like block them out and stuff. But like they wouldn't be able to connect to this because it would block them, but it would still work if you didn't port, like you could connect to it yourself if you wanted to do that, but only people who are lonely do that, and like loners and stuff. You guys aren't loners, right? Yeah, I didn't think so. So let's go and click stop again. And press any key, and there you go. Now you have all this stuff, and let's say you wanted to make yourself an op. You could open the ops, type in your name. Let's just say my name is Bob Hope. File, save. Bob Hope is an OP now, or you could click the run, and let's let it load again because we all know how long this is. and you can click /op and then his name, Bob Hope. Don't actually know, because we're actually on the server thing. Just put OP Bob Hope and see opping Bob Hope. And then you can say deop Bob Hope, deopping Bob Hope, or you could ban him. Just put ban Bob Hope, and then now he gets banned, and now you can't join. Just click stop. And that's pretty much it. For my next video, I'll show you how to put mods on it. It's really simple. So have fun with your new thing, and make sure you comment, rate, subscribe. And also check out my server. It's Technocraft. The IP is 192.168.1.66, and hope to see you guys on. Yeah, just make sure that like I have some settings on, and just I want you to have fun on it. And if you have any questions and stuff, you can put it in the comment, and I'll get to you as fast as I can, and all the links I used will be in the description. And so yeah, that's it. Have fun.